Look, you're not tired because you're aging. You're not tired because you didn't have your coffee, and you're not tired because you need TRT or more supplements. You're tired because you're not sleeping, whether that be sleeping enough or sleeping well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly why and how to fix it. My name is Matthew Peloso. I'm a certified personal trainer, lifelong athlete, and natural men's hormone coach. I specialize in helping high performance men optimize their performance through natural health fundamentals. Here's 5 surprising reasons why your energy levels aren't where you'd like them to be, along with tactical solutions. And reason number 1 is because you're not getting morning light exposure. I get it, you're a busy professional, you're checking emails, you're checking DMs, but we evolved under the sun. If you can get outside first thing right when you wake up, that's gonna signal to the brain it's time to wake up, it's time to cut melatonin, the sleep hormone, it's time to increase cortisol levels, prime your body, prime your energy levels for the day ahead, and anchor your circadian rhythm. So stop staying inside when you wake up, get outside first thing, even if it's cold, even if it's cloudy. It's gonna be way better than anything you're exposed to, especially artificial blue lights first thing in the morning, get outside. Reason number 2 is caffeine consumption too early in the day. When we wake up, our cortisol spikes and peaks around 60 to 90 minutes after we wake up. If you grab a coffee first thing when you wake up, not only are you dehydrating yourself, but you're blunting that natural increase in cortisol, which is the reason that you're crashing and feeling like trash later in the day. So the simple solution, just wait an hour to an hour and a half after you wake up to have your first cup of coffee. Reason number 3 is caffeine too late in the day. Now, I promise you the rest of this video is not gonna be ripping on coffee. I love coffee. However, caffeine can stay in your system up to 12 hours. So even if you have a coffee, your last coffee at noon or lunchtime, you may still have caffeine in your system at 12 or 1 a.m. Now, even if you fall asleep at 10 p.m., if the caffeine is in your system, it's gonna be disrupting your deep sleep, which is gonna wreak havoc on your testosterone, your energy levels the next day. You're gonna be more dependent on caffeine. You're gonna want more caffeine the next day to feel great. This can lead to weight gain, low testosterone levels, low energy levels, and it's gonna be a slippery slope. So I recommend cutting caffeine early in the day, at least bare minimum, at least 8 hours before you go to bed, and drink a lot of water also with every cup of coffee or every energy drink. I wouldn't recommend drinking any garbage energy drinks in the first place, but if you're gonna have caffeine, drink water and do it early in the day, but not too early. Reason number 4 is screen time right before bed. Now, whether you're working, you're pushing something out, or you're just scrolling on YouTube, TikTok, or if you have a TV in the bedroom, this is, besides not getting morning sunlight, because that's the most important thing, this is probably one of the worst things for your sleep. The blue light, or the frequency, the wavelength of light emitted from screens emulates midday sunlight, and this is gonna confuse your brain. It's gonna trick it into thinking that it should be awake. It's gonna suppress your melatonin production, which you need in order to fall asleep, in order for deep repair. I mean, sleep is like a hormone. If you can get good quality sleep, and if you can get enough of it, it's gonna be better than even hopping on TRT, taking steroids, or any kind of magic supplement or pill that the supplement industry or the pharmaceutical industry is trying to push on you. So if you can fix this, if you can eliminate screens before bed, it's gonna do wonders for your sleep, and you're gonna feel it the next day. And the last reason your energy levels aren't where you need them to be, which is also affecting your sleep, surprisingly, is poor diet. If you have inadequate protein or low quality protein, or you're missing a lot of different micronutrients, your body is not gonna be prioritizing deep sleep, recovery, repair, that kind of steroid effect in which your body's rebuilding during sleep, rebuilding the brain, memory retention. Your body's focused on survival. Whether you realize it or not, you might be overweight, you might think I'm getting plenty of calories, but the junk that you are consuming, all the detoxifying and the lack of micronutrients or even macronutrients like proper protein, your body is not prioritizing deep recovery, deep repair. So switch to a natural, whole foods based diet. This will do wonders not only for your energy levels, but for your sleep, which go hand in hand. I just gave you the top 5 reasons why you have low energy and the natural methods in order to fix them. It's never about the quick fix. It's never about the magic pill. It's never about more supplements. If you are looking for more natural solutions to increase your energy levels without the use of BS supplements or synthetic injections, I have put together an entire free training. The link is in the description. And if you're looking for a more personal, tailored approach and need help integrating these into your life, there's an application in the description where you can apply to work with me one-on-one and see if we're a good fit. Both links are in the description. I'll see you in the community. It's time to go to war.